So why don't you want to move? We get this question all the time about people who are thinking of moving, but they just don't know if they want to move right now. Maybe it's interest rates. A lot of times they really like their neighborhood. Sometimes they want their children to go to the same school, and they just can't find the house they're looking for. Here's the thing. If your motivation to move is a 6 or below on a scale of 1 to 10, you're probably going to stay put. But there will come a day when the things that bug you about this current house, maybe it's the stairs, or maybe it's you don't have enough bedrooms, or maybe you want a bigger backyard, where those become a bigger deal and your motivation to move moves into the 8, 9, or 10 level. And when you get to that level, the pain of not moving is bigger than the pain of staying where you are, so you decide to move. So if you're thinking you really want to move and your motivation is getting into that 8, 9, or 10 level, call us. We will help make the move so enjoyable for you, and we will get you in the perfect house for your next phase of life. Go to mattoneillrealestate.com and reach out to us today.